There's another model that we like quite a bit. Let me get to it. There it is, called Mazda. Mazda is a model that we use for the electromagnetic portion of space domain awareness. It models the ionosphere, which is also coincidentally in low Earth orbit, but it really has a strong impact on any kind of radio signal. So whether you're trying to communicate with satellites or whether you're trying to get data down from a satellite, you have to make sure you understand what the ionosphere is doing right at this moment and how the ionosphere is going to impact whatever signal it is that you're trying to either transmit or receive. So Mazda is another one of the models that uses a lot of the data that we collect with the sensors that we designed, and it runs in a high performance compute architecture, and it provides real-time information to decision makers who are trying to understand, how do I talk to somebody, halfway around the world in a valley in Afghanistan? That's a hard problem, and understanding how the ionosphere is affecting your RF transmissions is essential to being able to solve that hard problem. So we're excited to be able to be a part of that kind of a decision-making process. Generally speaking, in addition to collecting and doing all that high-performance computing, we then have to deliver our data to somebody who cares. So we've got a variety of customers. We make that data available through an API, and naturally, the security of that data, the continuity of that data stream, of that REST API, and the overall high availability of that data is essential to our value proposition. As a business, if we were unable to continue to meet the requirements of our customers, they wouldn't be our customers for very long. So that type of reliability and that type of scalability, the ability to move back and forth between high performance cloud computing and on-prem computing as the time requires, all of that is essential to our business model. And it's something that we just can't afford to make a mistake ourselves with. So we really rely heavily on ParallelWorks and on Activate in order to help us solve that critical problem within our particular ecosystem.